So here we have the Vauxhall Astra on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of it from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see that we've got plenty of boot space, which can be increased further by folding down either or both of the 60/40 split folding rear seats as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre at the top, we've got the fuel gauge, the coolant temperature gauge, and beneath that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles of this car. They are 44,351. We have a digital readout for the speedometer there as well. You can change the information displayed in that section by using controls on the steering wheel. Back around to the beginning again. If we back out to the steering wheel controls, we've got cruise control and speed limiter on the left-hand side. We've got forward collision warning system as well there that you can turn on and off. And over on the right-hand side, stereo and phone controls. The phone controls can only be used after you pair the phone up to the car, of course, which is done over on the touchscreen in the center. We do have a few physical buttons below that. For example, the button that will take you to this main menu, and then you can access your phone, and you'd hit search device and follow the instructions on screen from there. When it comes to audio in this car, there's a few ways we can listen to our music. We have AM, FM, and DAB radio, USB input, and Bluetooth audio as well. You can also plug in your smartphone via its USB and project certain Vauxhall-friendly apps up onto this screen as well. And then, as you can see, you've got vehicle settings up there as well. Main volume for the stereo is here, our hazard warning lights as well. And then working our way down, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that button will turn it off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly in here, depending on the temperature you've set over there. And you can turn that off whenever you wish to, of course. Below that, we can turn off our traction control. We can turn off the lane departure warning system, and we can put the car into sport mode as well. And then finally, we have a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.